Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Leila Mekhdiyeva, and today I'm back with another fashion video. This is actually my first fashion video in 2021 where I actually sit down and give you guys some tips and advice regarding fashion and style. But I actually plan to make this video for a very long time because I believe that the way to learn what works for you is actually to go through realizing what does not work for you, whether that's in fashion or in your personal life, in your career. Sometimes you need to try different things to see that this was not for you, this does not suit you or benefit you. So for that reason, I decided it would be a great way to tell you guys what to do by giving you examples of what not to do. So today I'll be talking about fashion mistakes you're making and how to avoid them. So without further ado, let's begin. First fashion mistake you're making is not buying clothes for your body type. I feel like as a millennial, I can understand where this fashion mistake is coming from. We were told that there is this one ideal body type that we all should be like, or if we're not, we should do everything possible to reach it. So to be on a diet, to exercise a lot, and to hate yourself if you are not this specific body type. And I'm so happy to see that Gen Z and future generations are seeing a better version of body positivity and actually are given choice of whatever body type you are. There are ways how to complement your body. At the same time, I fully support those who are reaching for, a certain goal to lose weight or to gain muscle or to change themselves, whatever that might be. But I think as you're trying to reach that body type, you should not waste your money and your time buying clothes that were not made for you. If you're trying out jeans that are too tight for you and you still decide to buy them because they would be so perfect for your new body type, you should not be doing that. Because first of all, trends come and go, and I'm not saying you will get there in 10 years, but even if you get there by the next spring, it might already be out of fashion and you just create more waste. And as you already know, fashion is one of the biggest contributors to the climate change, and we don't want to participate in that. We're trying to do our best to make the planet more livable for us and future generations as well. And besides, you should just save your coins, girl. So just accept the way you look right now, even if you're striving for something else. And while you're working for your perfect body type, you should still shop according to your today's body. Next fashion mistake you're making is not accessorizing enough. I feel like a lot of times I see girls wear outfits that kind of look boring, but then I sometimes like to imagine in my head, I don't know if you also do that, but I'm like, I would add to this outfit like a cute bag or some jewelry. Or if I see already, usually on Instagram is where I see the most stylish outfits. I see outfits that inspire me. It's always something to do with accessories. Like, I like very simple and minimalistic casual outfits, but it's accessories that make it interesting to me. So you add a bag, you add some jewelry, and you add some glasses, sunglasses, and the outfit looks completely different. And since we're talking about sunglasses, I wanted to show you some sunglasses and glasses that I got recently from the brand TIJN, and they reached out to me. This is not sponsored, but they proposed to send me some pieces, and I kindly agreed because who doesn't want some cool sunglasses and glasses? And I'm personally obsessed with sunglasses, so I always want to get sunglasses, What I really like about the packaging is that they use eco-friendly packaging, and I'm here for it. It's recyclable, which I think is amazing. And so here I have, wait a second. So it comes in this cute case. So I ordered glasses. Now this is my favorite shape. I don't know, I just like round glasses and sunglasses, and I feel like they're very popular right now. So exhibit A, very beautiful. Also, I love the fact that they have very affordable prices. So if, for example, you want to change up your glasses and you don't want necessarily to pay a lot, because glasses can be very expensive. If you want to try different frames that you never tried before, then why spend a lot on something you're not sure about? You know what I mean? And honestly, quality of these, I'm impressed. I'm honestly impressed, and I'm super happy with what I got. And then there are also sunglasses. Let me just show you what I have, because I'm so excited to share this with you guys. So also it comes in this beautiful case. So yet again, round sunglasses, and oh my god, look how cute. Like, I look instantly much better. Like, I know it's now winter time, but sometimes when I take my dog for a walk, like, sun is right there in my face, so I always need to wear sunglasses. So I'm gonna be wearing these right now, and as I said, like, you already look so much cooler when you have accessories. Once again, thank you to TIJN for sending me these sunglasses and glasses. I do recommend you guys to get some for yourself. Yet again, I was not paid to say this. I'm just genuinely happy with what I got. So I want to plug in these sunglasses, and I want you guys to know where to get cool sunglasses and be able to save your coins. I'm gonna leave the link to their website in the description box down below, so you can go and check out what other sunglasses and glasses they have besides round ones, because I know I'm obsessed, but they have a lot of different ones. Next fashion mistake you're making is not wearing white after Labor Day. I think it's very common throughout the world that white is only made for summer and spring, because first of all, it gets colder, and as you know, black is usually the color that actually makes you warmer, and white is actually the color that makes your body feel cooler. I don't know what is actually the explanation behind that, but if you Google it, it's actually a thing, and that's why a lot of times they don't recommend you to wear black when you're going on a holiday to a very exotic country where the climate might be over the top. And that is reason number one. Reason number two is that it gets dirty outside, and I personally love wearing white jeans, and I wore them once and it was kind of raining, and then I came home with super dirty white jeans. So I understand the reason why people would hesitate wearing white after Labor Day, which is basically once it gets colder, but I'm here to tell you that it's a huge mistake, because white pieces are super elegant and are super essential to your wardrobe, just like black. But black, I feel like, is so boring because everyone wears black, while white is more of a luxe color in my personal opinion. Whenever I see someone wearing white, I feel like I'm already looking at the person differently, because this color accentuates the whole appeal of a person. And I feel like this one is one of those fashion mistakes that were just told generation after generation, and you just take it as it is, and a lot of people are not even trying to break this fashion mistake, and they think this is just the way it is, you know. And I'm here to tell you that it is not the way it's supposed to be. White is an amazing color that makes your outfit so much more stylish, and you're losing so many opportunities by not wearing white. Next mistake you're making is not tailoring your clothes. I feel like today especially, all of us buying clothes from the mass market brands kind of accept the fact that the certain store thinks that this is what a person who wears this size is gonna look like. Sometimes you're taller, sometimes you're shorter, sometimes your waist might be slimmer than the jeans, and these are the issues that I usually face when I buy pants and jeans. And so when I ordered my wide leg pants from Pretty Little Thing and I got them super long, I knew that I have to go to the tailor and get them tailored, because I wanted this specific look. I didn't want them to be too long. I wanted to still be able to style them not only with heels but with sneakers, because I think that's a really cool vibe, or with my Dr. Martens. Or if you're buying a dress or a skirt and there are some issues that you wish you could fix, I feel like a lot of times people just give up on that piece, but you can just take it to the tailor and get it tailored, and you know, your clothes therefore will start looking so much more for you. Like, it will actually look like this was made for you, because I know nobody wants to look like just someone who got a bunch of clothes that don't really complement them and don't work for them. And sometimes you get stuff that actually works for you, but there's a small little detail that needs to be fixed. So if you're still not going to the tailor every time you need to make sure your outfit actually looks like it is your outfit, you're making a huge mistake. Next fashion mistake you're making is not mixing gold and silver jewelry. So yet again, we're talking about accessories. I have my favorite, it's gold. I love gold, like I wear gold here. My watch is, you know, golden. My wedding and engagement rings are white gold, so it kind of like, you know, doesn't go with the rest yellow gold that I have. But that's what I'm here to tell you. You should not coordinate your accessories according to their color, because I know a lot of people do that, like my mom does that. Yet again, this is one of those things we were told, everyone just takes it as it is and rarely really breaks these rules, and I think that's very boring. And I love seeing girls who mix different jewelry types and don't care about which type it is. I just don't own silver because I'm more of a golden girl or gold girl, you know. But when I wear bags, for example, I can have fully like gold pieces here, and then my bag has chain that is more like silver color, and I don't care. And then, for example, my jacket will have some silver pieces there as well, and then my bag has gold, and I don't care, and neither should you. I feel like so many people just lose opportunities to create interesting and unusual outfits because they believe that something bad will happen or someone will think they don't have sense of style if they won't coordinate their jewelry. So go ahead and mix up as many types of jewelry as you wish, because fashion is a fun game to play. Next fashion mistake you're making is not styling menswear. And I know so many girls who don't do that, and yet again, you're losing your opportunities. You are wasting your money. Instead of buying oversized blazer for yourself, just borrow one from your boyfriend, husband, dad, whoever you have. Just you know, ask to take their blazer, and I think usually men are okay with that. Like my mom would never let me borrow her stuff, but my dad was always happy to, you know, for me to take his clothes, because he was like, I'm actually stylish, because my daughter thinks that this is worth stealing. And I also think that men's clothes a lot of times are so much better looking than girls. I don't know why that is. Is it just me? Maybe I just like menswear aesthetic, but I am telling you, instead of buying yourself some oversized pieces, you can just steal them from your boyfriend's wardrobe. And I'm telling you, the more you start doing that, the more fun it will be. And honestly, at this point, I do take a lot of pieces from my outfits from my husband's closet, and I feel like that's a game changer in my outfit game. And the last fashion mistake you're making is not choosing your undergarment according to your outfit. So for example, if you're wearing white jeans, you definitely don't want to show red underpants, or you don't want to wear panties that have visible panty lines, or if you're wearing see-through kind of dress, you want to make sure that your undergarment is not of a bright and bold color, so like all the attention is on that. You want to make sure that it's either white or the color of your skin, like very nude color. So I think investing in a good underwear that is the color of your skin is definitely a great help to create better outfits and to not care how people are gonna look at you, because you know that it's all covered, it's all good, and nothing will be shown. And instead of focusing on your underwear, people will focus on your outfit. So that is it for me for today, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more fashion tips videos from me on my channel, then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Click that bell to get notified about my new videos, and leave a comment down below letting me know which fashion mistake you personally have committed before, but will make sure that you will stop it now that I told you how to do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. I love you. Bye.